is coming by helicopter to Kingman. Here we go. That was a pretty cool entrance of Santa. Never seen him come by helicopter before. Pretty neat.
I used to didn't believe in Santa Claus, but it's 2024, so
anything is possible.
You know.
All right, y'all, Kingman is off to a good start for this Christmas parade. Look at the Coca-Cola bear. Oh, look at what my honeydew got me. My big polar bear got me a polar bear.
Actually, I didn't get it. They were free, but I got one. So it's a nice little Coca-Cola polar bear.
Cute little bears.
I got two.
I feel like...
But if anybody wants it, you collect Coca-Cola stuff, leave me a comment. I'll send it to you.
You guys know I am a sucker for vintage cars, and of course they got to turn in this walking Christmas parade to a car show too. Gotta get the bugs. I think I lost my husband, y'all. Do you see him in the crowd? There he is. He's easy to spot, isn't he? Hi, Mrs. Claus. All right, what do you guys think so far? This is pretty cool. So it is a little different because everybody's floats are just parked and you get to walk by them. Pretty cute though. People brought out their chairs and they're just sitting along. See that? I don't know if they're expecting for an actual parade or not. I don't believe it's an actual parade. I think that they just keep things parked. But Santa's going around on the golf cart. Did you see him? Shoot!
1, 2, ready, go!
Yeah, everybody talk about losing me all the time, but he's like a little kid. He got to stop and walk back for everything. I just lost him after I took his picture. He had to go back.
I got to make sure I know who to call.
Who are you going to call, husband?
Them.
See, y'all, I told you. Look who's walking way ahead of me, getting lost in the crowd. Look, he's just like la 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 la, not even worried about where I'm at. You see him, look, not paying no attention to me whatsoever. Oh, now he knows because he knows I'm talking about him. You see that? I see you. I see you. stop with lots of vendors and food trucks. We are gonna try the K Town Cuisine. They've got brisket mac and cheese, brisket burritos, and we've been hearing all over town about this brisket, so finally we get to try it. Boo, are you excited you finally get to try this brisket that you've been hearing about?
Yeah.
You excited?
Yeah.
You're cold?
A little bit.
You stopped drinking your hot chocolate, now you're cold?
You made me leave Florida for this.
I didn't make you leave Florida. The hurricanes made you.
Sun on my bun.
Whatever.
Sand
You was
in my hand.
you was never sitting out on the beach. That was my thing, man. That's all right. I'll take you somewhere warm and sunny soon. All right, y'all. Here's the moment of truth, husband.
All right, so this is the burrito.
Oh my God, that is cute. That
Looks
is
like a traditional burrito.
Yeah, but it's got the brisket inside, right?
Oh wow.
Oh, that looks good.
Brisket mac and cheese.
Dimitri's gonna be mad. Oh yeah, that looks like it's on point.
I'll let you know right now. Oh man.
That looks really good.
Oh, this don't look like it's no canned mac and cheese. Hold on.
Oh, you need another bite to tell? That's on point?
That's pretty good mac and cheese.
Yeah? Did you taste the brisket in it?
Oh yeah. And I can't get a good bite.
Oh, you gotta try again. You gotta try again and get another bite.
Yeah.
It's on point. It was worth the wait.
Real good.
Real good. Alright, I'm gonna have to try now before you eat it all up. Alright.
Burrito.
That burrito is huge. Are we getting one for the road?
That one I didn't even need to have a second bite.
I saw your eyes light up like Christmas.
I'm good.
Real good. Alright, y'all, I'm turning this off so I can eat too. Oh, you want me to taste the brisket?
Yeah, try the burrito.
It's huge. I don't know, I'm kind of like scared of this thing.
So look, it's got brisket, mac and cheese.
Yeah, it has the mac and cheese in there with
The only thing it needs in there is some collard greens.
Oh my gosh, we need a food coma. Like those egg rolls that we had one time?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that would be good. I usually don't do burritos. That's a good burrito.
All right. We also did get this churro cheesecake, but we're gonna knock this stuff out. Then we'll catch up with you and let you know after what that churro was like.
And guess what? We missed the tree lady, but it was worth it. All right, y'all. That barbecue was good. We could not eat it all. We're taking the rest home because we knew we would be in a food coma, but we wanted to taste this mini churro cheesecake.
It's got a dipping sauce in there.
Oh, it does? What, like a caramel? Or like a cinnamon? Something different.
Bad. It's different. It's not bad.
It looks more doughy than a cheesecake, though. Can you taste the
Really
cheesecake? Yeah, it looks more like a.
Not really.
It looks kind of like a
More
like a biscuit churro. Just a little bit at a time.
Thank you.
All right, you bet.
Thank you. Y'all, how cool are these? Love them. I'm surprised I never bought a VW bug. I love them. They're so cute. I just said, I'm surprised I never had one. I do, because they're so cute. And they're like me, you know, just my inner flower child. Well,
What'd you think?
that was
actually kinda
really, really cool. That
kinda
was,
dope.
for being, you know, Kingman being a small town, they really did it up.
They really come together as a community, so.
Yeah, I mean, and that's one reason we love it down in this area is, I mean, almost every weekend there's a festival, and for the holidays, that was really cool. I love Santa coming to town on a helicopter. That was really cool for the kids. And then I also like how they do the walking Christmas parade because it gives you a chance to get up and see all of the
different
floats and
what it was is you
enjoy
actually had to vote on which one is your favorite. They
Right.
had like little collection boxes where you can take a little ballot and you can vote on whatever one you like the best.
Great, yeah, I thought that. Which one did you like the best?
I don't know, it's too many. I don't remember all of them. So
There were.
They were all
They were like. I think I like the cars though. The Christmas cars all lit up. I don't know why. You know.
all right, guys. Ooh, he just put his lights on.
Ooh,
all
bright
right, guys.
light.
So until next time,
Ciao for now.
don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit that like
Or
button.
you're going on the naughty list.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Hey y'all, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.